Hey, Mr. David.
What's up, youngin'?
How do you keep your booth from shaking so much?
Let me take a look at here. Well, there's your first problem. You see, these legs right here should be touching the floor at all times. Whether it's rain or shine, all the time. Touching the ground. Look at this one right over here, youngin'. You're killing me softly. You gotta spin these and make sure it's locked in. Now, see that one over there? It looks like it's touching the ground, huh? But is it really? Is it really touching the ground? No, it wasn't touching the ground. Alright, so once you got that solved, you're halfway there. Next thing you want to see is, what kind of phone are you using? If you're using an old phone as a piece of crap, then you're out of luck, buddy. You're going to have to buy a better phone. So make sure you're using an iPhone 12 and up. But most importantly, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, let me go ahead and turn around here. You got to use Snapic. I've been snapping with Snapic for as long as I can remember. Before I even had events and tumbleweeds was going across my yard here, boy. But listen, Snapic has the best stabilizer in the game, and that's for damn sure. If you don't believe me, go try Snapic for 7 days for free. It's a 7-day free trial, son. By the way, here's a quick plug here for you, Missy. Make sure you guys use the Snapic link I have in the description box below. It'll save you 10% off. Now, don't say I never helped you. You're welcome. I'll see you guys in the next rodeo.